this is just one big sweeper.
Okay.
But it's easier said than done. See some curbing on the outside? When you do it right, you end up right next to it.
Okay.
Apex, you end up tracking out a bit. And then you want to work your way over to the left. And I aim for that one marker.
Okay.
And that's, I brake right here. And I don't turn yet, now turn. So it's basically like a hairpin. And then don't move your wheel, just keep it straight, see what happens. Yeah, it's too tight, straighten it. But once you get it right, you'll just hold the wheel steady. A little bit to the right, swing to the left. This is turn 3. Now we're heading down towards turn 4. And turn 4 is mid-apex, pretty fast sweeper. So I usually just brush the brakes lightly and turn in very slowly. Throttle, track out. And then remember, stay to the right. This is turn 5. This is the one that goes to the left. Brush brake. This is a late apex. Turn in, track out. And then I basically aim for that number 2.
Okay.
And I brake just before it. And then I turn the car and aim for 1.
Yep.
Try to be really close to where 1 is, and then turn in. And then track out. And again, that 1 is my reference point.
Yep.
That's where some dampness is. Do you see it right here? Turn in. That's the only wet spot that bothered me. Where the car wiggled. This is turn 8. Classic 90-degree right. 3rd gear for me. Maybe 2nd for you. The next turn is the one that's really, really slow.
Okay.
I do it in 2nd gear. So go down again. And then try to stay to the right, because the most important turn is the one after this, turn 10. See where the pothole is right here? That's where you turn in. Throttle, track out. This is the longest straightaway, which is what makes that the most important turn. But this one's a lot of people slide off because it goes downhill. And it's a little bit like turn 9 in that you want to stay to the right. So make sure you come in slow so you can go out fast. In slow, stay to the right, stay to the right, stay to the right, then turn left, throttle. Throttle, 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 track out. So you can see this jump coming up. So if you stay to the left, it's less of a jump. Do you see the difference? Because it goes like at an angle. Straight down the hill. And then just brush the brakes down to 3rd gear. 3rd gear. Throttle. These turns are pretty fast. These are the S's.
Okay.
I used to just lift, don't even brake, lift, turn in. And the apex is this green stuff at the end. See this greenish?
Yep.
And then to the left, this turn opens up, so you can just go full throttle through here. See what I mean by open up?
Yep.
So you can accelerate through it. And you can do it mid-apex. You can even do an early apex. This is the tightest turn on the track. So don't turn yet, don't turn yet. Like it goes as if you're gonna go run off the road. And then finally turn. It's more than a 90, see what I mean? Throttle, track out. Then work your way over to the right. This one is pretty much a classic 90. Brake, late apex. This is 17. But it's important to stay to the left. Don't track out.
Okay.
Stay to the left because you have this really important turn coming up. Stay to the left, brake a little, turn in, try to apex at the candy stripe. Track out to that candy stripe. And then again, don't move the wheel, see what happens. Yeah, see that's about right. Accelerate. If you do it right, it becomes one sweeper, you don't have to mess with the wheel. This one you should be able to do in 3rd. Brake between 2 and 1. Apex, mid-apex. Throttle. Add a little throttle. Try to hold the wheel steady. Let the track move under you. Throttle, add more throttle. There you go. bearing.